In this video, we will introduce organizational charts in Signavio. Organizational charts are used to represent the structure of an organization, including departments, roles, and reporting relationships. In the context of business process management, organizational models help us understand who is responsible for executing different activities within a process. Within Signavio, organizational charts allow us to clearly define roles, organizational units, and their relationships, and these elements can later be linked directly to process models. This ensures that when we assign responsibilities in our BPMN diagrams, they are aligned with the actual organizational structure of the business. To demonstrate how this works, we will use a fictional company, Retail Co., and create a simple organizational structure. At the top of the organization, we have the Chief Executive Officer, who oversees the overall direction of the company. Reporting to the CEO, we have three key leadership roles. First, the Marketing Director, responsible for marketing strategy and sales activities. Within this area, we have roles such as the Sales Manager and the Marketing Writer. Next, we have the Operations Director, who is responsible for the operational side of the business, including logistics and order fulfillment. Supporting this role is the Senior Operations Manager. Finally, we have the Head of Engineering, responsible for the company's technology and systems. Within this area, we have roles such as the Senior Developer and the Senior IT Lead. This structure gives us a clear overview of how roles are organized and how responsibilities are distributed within the company. Now let's move into Signavio and recreate this organizational structure using the org chart model type. I will select New and choose the org chart model type. This opens a new canvas where we can begin defining the organizational hierarchy. First, at the very top, I will place an organizational unit for the company name. In our case, this is Retail Co. Then I will place the CEO right beneath the company name, as this represents the highest role in the organization. For this, I will use the hierarchic organizational unit element. Next, I will add the three main leadership roles reporting to the CEO, using again a hierarchic organizational unit elements. These are the Marketing Director, the Operations Director, and the Head of Engineering. For the higher roles or teams, we use hierarchic organizational unit, as this element allows us to drill down into that specific role or team and have another more detailed organizational chart behind it. Under the Marketing Director, we will add the roles Sales Manager and Marketing Writer. For lower roles which doesn't have significant structure below them, we simply use Position/Role element. Under the Operations Director, we will add the Senior Manager role. And finally, under the Head of Engineering, we will add Senior Developer and Senior IT Lead. Using the organizational chart model allows us to clearly visualize the reporting structure and hierarchy within the organization. These organizational elements can later be linked directly to our process models, helping us define roles and responsibilities within BPMN diagrams. And this is how you can create an organizational chart in Signavio.